Have you ever seen the error code Bosch Dishwasher E04 flashing on your screen and had no idea what it means? Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue for many Bosch dishwasher owners, and today we'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. The Bosch Dishwasher E04 error usually points to a problem with the flow meter or water distribution system. In plain terms, your dishwasher is having trouble controlling the amount of water it's using. This can happen due to limescale buildup, a clogged spray arm, or a faulty flow sensor. Before calling in the pros, there are a few things you can try yourself. First, take out the spray arms and rinse them under warm water. Use a toothpick or a small brush to clear out any clogged holes. If your home has hard water, consider running a cleaning cycle with a descaler to remove any mineral buildup. Still seeing Bosch Dishwasher E04? Then it might be time to look into the flow meter. While it's possible to replace this part yourself if you're handy with tools, we'd recommend calling a certified Bosch technician if you're unsure. Attempting complex repairs without experience might make things worse. On average, fixing this issue professionally can cost between $100 and $180, depending on your location and the part that needs replacement. So, next time you spot Bosch Dishwasher E04, don't panic. Try the simple fixes first, but if the problem sticks around, calling a pro might save you time and stress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home repair tips.